We trust in the power of nature and its processes. We are the pioneers in phytogenics, the founders of a completely new generation of natural, plant-based phytogenic feed additives, a field that has grown to a market of global importance and that is seen as the key to meet the worldwide challenges from animal nutrition to safe food products. With our global team, experts at our own research center, and our extensive network, we have defined the scientific gold standard in phytogenic feed additives. Using a wide range of carefully selected active ingredients from plants, processed with patented technologies and synergistically formulated, we are developing and manufacturing highly standardized feed additives for naturally and measurably enhanced animal nutrition. Being the global leader in phytogenics, we are solving the complex challenges that await our industry, together with you. With phytogenics, we do not only change the rules, but consistently shape the game for ensuring an efficient, sustainable, and safe feed-to-food chain today and for the future, by trusting in the power of nature. We are DELACON, performing nature.